Good morning, students. This is the third class of financial management. Till now, we have covered the concept, definition of the financial management, scope of finance management, the aims of finance management, approaches to the finance management, okay, and objectives of the finance management. Basically, we know that the finance is a very important part of the organizations, and it is just a lifeblood of the organizations. So today we have to discuss about two things, that is the two topics about the component of the business finance, and that is another, that is the disciplines of the financial management or the business finance. So two things we have to discuss here. What? That is component of business finance, and another, that is about relationship of finance with other business or disciplines. So when we are discussing about the component of the business finance, so we will see that is what includes, what are the ways, what is very essential for the business finance, what includes that it is all in the business finance. We have to take care, the financial manager have to take care of the what, that is the business finance, what he should have in the mind. That is the very crucial things. Without knowing business finance, component of the business finance, we cannot move to the other part of the business finance. Okay. So let us first discuss about the points. That is what we have to. I am just going on the writing the points. Later we will discuss one by one about the related to the component of the business finance. So first of all, one, that is establishing financial requirement number two, dividing capital structure. Third, selecting the sources of finance. Fourth, selecting a pattern of investment. Fifth, proper cash management. Sixth, implementing financial controls. Seventh, proper uses of surpluses. My dear students, so when we are discussing about the component of the business finance, these are the essential things we have to have in the mind. As a financial manager, or as we know about the business finance, before going to the business finance and why the finance is required to the business and how it can be achieved and how it can be used. In that point, how to get the finance and how to use the finance. Before this, you have to plan and you have to think about this component of the what? Business finance. So first of all, discussing about establishing the financial requirement. That is, first of all, we have to plan for which category we need what amount. Okay? Because I will explain how this is, and this is very, very important to each other. How these are interrelated to each other. Without knowing the requirement of finance, we cannot judge what is our goal. So, first, it is very foremost important is that we have to plan the financial plan. At what criteria, at what level we require the finance and how much it is. That we have to make a blueprint of the business, that is the business financial plans, in order to have the business component, one of the very important component of the business finance. And we know that without the proper planning, we cannot go ahead. So that is the very, very important things. So we have to plan, we have to execute a different part of the business functions, how much they require and how much they have to utilize and where they have to utilize all the things. All the things they have to come in the mind of the business, that is the financial manager, in order to make a fruitful the business finance, or that is the functioning of the business finance. Okay? So that is the what happened establishing the financial requirement. We have to know it. मुझे जब बाजार जाना पड़ता है बेटा, क्या करना पड़ता है हमें कुछ ऐसे अमाउंट लेकर जाना पड़ता है ताकि हमें फिर से रिटर्न आकर फिर से पैसा लेके जाना नहीं चाहिए. Time is very important one thing. At that time, availability of goods is also giving the priority at that time only. Okay. So all the things, whatever may be required, we have to make a plan. Unless we have a plan, or unless we have a requirement analysis, we cannot predict our, that is the finishing or using the business or the finance in the business organizations. First thing. Then you have to divide the capital structure. You have to, before that is financial requirement, you have made only the structure of the capital. What, where, in which department, in which that is level, we have to require the finance in operating, because business organization is not a single unit. Business organization is a what broadly classified into different divisions, and in that proper way, that is, you have to also use various, that is tools, various methods in analyzing, that is what happened, or to divide the capital or to divide the finance into different sections. Okay? Okay बेटा एक एग्जांपल लो बेटा, जैसे कुछ जब सरकार बजट बनाते हैं ना, सबके आंखें बजट के ऊपर होता है, कौन से सेक्टर में कितना रुपया आया है, वो हमें देखना पड़ता है। क्यों देखना पड़ता है? गवर्नमेंट कितना फैसिलिटीज दे रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट कितना खर्चा करने के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हैं, ये स्ट्रक्चर है। एंड दैट यू हैव टू आल्सो मेड बिफोर, एंड दैट इट इज कमिंग अंडर द व्हाट हैपन, दैट इज द फर्स्ट कंपोनेंट, दैट इज द एस्टेब्लिशिंग, दैट इज व्हाट हैपन फाइनेंशियल रिक्वायरमेंट। इसके बाद हमें डिवाइड करके स्ट्रक्चर को छोड़ना, नहीं तो हम भी 19-20 हो सकता है, बट किसी को नजरअंदाज नहीं कर पाएंगे, किसी को टोटली कुछ नहीं दे पाएंगे, किसी को हाईली दे देंगे। नो, यू हैव टू मेंटेन द बैलेंस टू एवरी डिपार्टमेंट, टू एवरी फंक्शनल यूनिट, यू हैव टू गिव द राइट अमाउंट ऑफ द मनी, सो दैट there should be a proper balance in that whole organizations, and the proper balance of the capital structure, or the proper balance in the distributing of the capital to that of the finance. That is, all the functions, all the unit, all the sections, all the departments of the business will run efficiently. So that is also very, very important. That is one of the dividing the capital structure. And in separate unit we have also that capital structure. Then you have to discuss about many more things about the importance and the tools, the techniques of all the capital structure we have to discuss there. Another thing is the selecting the sources of finance. Finance क्या जंगल में मिलता है ना क्या? या फाइनेंस it is not available at any time. फाइनेंस सोर्सेस लाने के लिए हम चारों तरफ देखना चाहिए, उसका रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट क्या है, उसका टर्म ऑफ पीरियड क्या है, क्या लिक्विडिटी है या नहीं, क्या दैट इज वी हैव टू से दैट इज इट इज इजीली अवेलेबल और नॉट, the criteria, it is the conditions which are applied by the financial institution, it may be support to me or not, that you have to think it. There are so many types of sources of finance is there. Okay, as the size of the business is there, that much is also very, very essential to that of the what business finance also. According to the size of the business, finance is also that part. It is a direct variation with that of the what the size and the requirement of the finance. छोटा बिजनेस के लिए छोटा अमाउंट चाहिए, बड़ा बिजनेस के लिए बड़ा अमाउंट चाहिए। हाथ पकड़ में अगर 50 करोड़ अगर नहीं होता है तब भी हमें बिजनेस करने के लिए आगे जाना है, तो हमारे पास कुछ होना चाहिए ताकि हमें कुछ कहीं से भी बिजनेस के लिए फाइनेंस उठाना चाहिए। और यू डोंट थिंक दैट इज एट ए टाइम यू कैन एक्वायर, यू हैव टू मेंटेन दैट बैलेंस with them, the financial institutions or creditors or many in the market with public or government, whatever it may be. We have to maintain that much of relationship so that at any time, if we require any finance, so it can be easily or readily available in a proper manner, so that it will not create a headache in the ahead of the business, in the running of the business. That you have to see भी पैसा मिल जाएगा, भरपाई करने के लिए हमें बहुत मेहनत करना पड़ता है, प्रॉफिट से हमें देना पड़ता है, बिजनेस ओन कंट्रीब्यूशन हमें नहीं दे पाएंगे वहां पे। अगर क्रेडिट भी जाता है तो क्रेडिट एंड क्रेडिट वर्थिनेस बढ़ता जाएगा, क्रेडिट वर्थिनेस अगर अच्छा है तो बिजनेस फाइनेंस देने के लिए भी कोई भी हमें आगे आएंगे। इसका मतलब हमारे पास उतना ही प्रॉपर्टी होना जरूरी है, उतना भी एसेट होना जरूरी है, उतना भी लिक्विडेशन पावर भी, पोजीशन भी इतना होना चाहिए, तो कि हमें कोई भी इन्वेस्टर या क्रेडिटर जो भी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन जो भी हमें देंगे, एट राइट दे विल नॉट फील एनी और देयर इज fearness by that is giving their amount, that is sanction their finance to us. They should not think about it. They should have the positive thinking. That is, we should. जब हम देते हैं बेटा हमें भी तो रखना पड़ता है कि हम जैसे वो लौटेगा, बार बार मांगने से तो नहीं होता ना। सो हमें वो भी सोचना चाहिए that is the selecting the sources of finance, which is very essential, one of the things. And you have to think it, that is, it should be bearable. It should not have the burden. Burden is there, but should not be a, what happened, जो बीच में burden बोलते हैं कि ज़्यादा हमें बोझ नहीं होना चाहिए. Another matter, what happened, we have to select the pattern of, that is the investment. What is the pattern of investment? पैसा आ चुका है, we have the business, we have the finance in the business. As a finance manager, as a financial experts, we have to know where to use that amount. Okay, financial, that is correct investment must be there, right investment must be there, so that right amount of return will be there, and which will be helpful in the what, that fulfilling the obligations of the what, that is creditors or the financial institutions जहाँ से हम पैसा लाएंगे. So it is a very important thing. We have to know the patterns of the investment, the way of the investing the money. Unless we will be regarded as the unsuccessful businessman, our money will be in dusty conditions, will be in lost. So many things will come. See, last time जैसे धीरूभाई अंबानी के सोचो, एक भैया मुकेश अंबानी कैसे अच्छी तरह बिजनेस ग्रोथ करके जा रहे हैं, और अनिल अंबानी जो कि वो डिग्रेडेशन होकर जा रहे हैं, कैसे? क्या उनके पास कुछ एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है था? ऐसे कुछ डिमेरिट है जो कि अनिल अंबानी नहीं कर पाए, जो कि मुकेश अंबानी अच्छी तरह निभा पाते हैं, जो कि ऊपर से ऊपर जाकर एक बिलियनर लेवल पे पहुंच गए. हमें भी कॉमन एग्जांपल we should think it. If we will not use the right amount of money in the right way, and after that using will be the needed in the time, in that time where we do not have any single paisa also. So it is a very important that is selecting the very pattern of the investment. So we have to use that or invest that part of money or that part of finance which we acquire, that should be in the proper manner. Proper cash management must be there. Inflow and outflow must be properly maintained in business. Okay, because that will lead to that of the what, the surplus. The business will not face any problems if we will maintain the proper cash management. Okay, कैसे प्रॉपर कैश को डिवाइड करना है, फिक्स्ड कैपिटल को कितना है, वर्किंग कैपिटल को कितना है, वर्किंग कैपिटल के बार बिजनेस चलने में कैसे हमें पैसा की जरूरत होती है, उससे भी ध्यान रखना चाहिए. नहीं तो हर समय हाथ पताना पड़ेगा दूसरों के पास. हाथ पताने से पैसा मिल जाए, बट हमारा we will lose our own, that is dignity. So धीरे हमें अच्छी तरह कैश को बैलेंसिंग करना चाहिए, कैश को मैनेजमेंट करना चाहिए, जो कि हमें बहुत यूजफुल हो सकता है. That is the proper what, that is the cash management. And another point you have to highlight about the financial control. Yes, that is cost cutting, the cost control, budgetary controls, inventory controls. There are so many controls are there which is very essential to us and requiring, that is one of the best, that is where we can cut the cost in the limited way so that it will be very or lead to the surplus of the organizations. So that is how हमें वहाँ पे ध्यान देना चाहिए, ताकि that is what happen, अगर फाइनेंशियल कंट्रोल को इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करेंगे तो हमें भी that is what happen बाद में पछताना पड़ेगा. Remember it. ठीक है, पैसा आता है तो उस पैसा को खर्चा कर देना, ये तो इजी बात है, बट जरूरत समय में पैसा हमारे पास ना होता तो ये डिफिकल्ट है। इसके बाद आकर फिर हाथ फैलाना पड़ेगा, भैया पैसा दो। अगर हमारे पास 100 रुपए इनकम है तो हमें अगर लिमिटेड खर्चा करके लिमिटेड कुछ से अगर सरप्लस करेंगे तो हमें बाद में वो भी यूजफुल टू द बिजनेस। For common women, you think it. For us, if you do not have sufficient money when you are going out, then how? That is your severe problems we are facing. You have to think it. When we have the cash, sufficient amount of cash, at that time we have to think it. In what way I have to control the cash? In what way I have to make efficient the use of the money or the finance in the proper manner so that it lead to the surplus. So financial control is very, very important. Whatever may be used, starting from the initial point to the last level, we have to control the finance. Okay, at every level, budget control में जैसे कहा, purchasing control, all the things, purchasing से लेकर distribution तक हमें हर function में कंट्रोल करना है, कॉस्ट कंट्रोल करना है, ताकि इट लीड टू द सक्सेस, दैट इज सक्सेस ऑफ द बिजनेस। और इट इज ए जस्ट ड्रॉप ऑफ वाटर टू दैट ऑफ द ओशन, वी शुड ए लिटिल बिट दैट इज प्रॉफिट टू दैट ऑफ द एडिशनल प्रॉफिट, इट इज टू द हाई मार्जिनल प्रॉफिट, व्हाटएवर। सो हमें इसके बाद से लास्ट दैट इज व्हाट व्हेन वी हैव टू यूज इट, दैट इज द प्रॉपर यूजेस ऑफ द सरप्लस। डेफिसिट है तो हमारा नाकामी ही हमारा डेफिसिट बन गया है। बिजनेस चलाने का जो तजुर्बा नहीं है हमें, जो बिजनेस चलाने के लिए जो ज्ञान हमारे पास नहीं है, जो फाइनेंशियल कंट्रोल करने के लिए हमारे पास नॉलेज नहीं है, ज्ञान नहीं है, एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, तो हमें डेफिसिट देखना पड़ा। अगर पहले से हमें सोच लेंगे फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग टू दैट ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल कंट्रोल, देन इट विल से दैट इज द व्हाटएवर वी हैव ऑलरेडी क्रॉस्ड टू दैट ऑफ द सरप्लस, वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स टू द सरप्लस। दैट इज द वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स। ओके, सो प्लानिंग से लेकर कंट्रोल तक हमें अगर इधर उधर चुप के या इधर उधर थोड़ा ध्यान भटक गया, सोच नहीं पाए, तो मतलब वी मे दैट इज द वी डोंट गेट एनी surplus only, and when the surplus are there, definitely we will try for to get the surplus, and after getting the surplus या हमें नहीं पार्क में जाकर बैठेंगे नहीं, या रेस्टोरेंट में बैठकर खाना नहीं खाएंगे, हमें फर्दर ग्रोथ करना है, क्रेडिटर को देना है, फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन जहां पे लाना है वो उनको भी भरना चाहिए। बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में कहीं कहीं पे जो कि प्रॉब्लम अरेज हुआ उसे सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए भी हमें फाइनेंशियल सरप्लस चाहिए, ताकि हमें दूसरों के सामने हाथ नहीं फैला सकते हैं। सो ये वी हैव टू डू इफ वी हैव ओनली सरप्लस। सो विदाउट सरप्लस वी कैनॉट see a dream for the future prospect। आज अगर एक बिजनेस से दूसरा बिजनेस जाता है क्यों? अगर 25% सरप्लस मनी से यूज कर सकते हैं, 75% we can get loan from, or we can get from the financial institutions, or we can get a direct sources of good sources of finance. Unless you don't have any surplus, we cannot also what maintain these things. So my dear students, so when we have to discuss about the component of the business finance, we have to think about the establishment of the financial requirement, we have to think about the dividing the capital structure, we have to think about the, that is the selecting the sources of finance, and we have to think about the pattern of the selecting the pattern of the investment, and we have to properly highlight that is important on the cash management. implementing the various tools or various techniques for financial controls, and we have to know about how to use the surplus, and definitely we have to see the business should be in the surplus manner. Okay. The second part, the component of the business, and we know that is establishment of the financial requirement. It is how these various functions, the disciplines are there, and how the finance is associated to every part of the business. That we have to discuss in the what the relationship of the finance with the other business or in the disciplines of the what business finance or the financial management. So here we have to discuss about the purchase function, productivity function, accounting function, personal function, research and development, my dear students, the simple things. Why? Just you think whatever we require these things, or we are talking about the component of the business finance, these are also same related to the things. What the finance, what the business have the different functions, and for this all the functions, to carry out the functions, all the things is also necessary. These are just interrelated, what we think. Okay. So, students, we have to see that is how the business finance is or relations of the finance with other part of the business. It is a very, very important thing. The disciplines we have to maintain or we have to carry through the use of the business function in the various department, in the case of purchase department, in the case of production department, in the case of economic department, in the case of personnel department, in the case of research and development, in case of the what financial management sections or the economic sections. These are the very highly crucial things you have to discuss here. See, first of all the purchase function. परचेस का मतलब क्या है? परचेस का मतलब है acquiring fixed assets as well as the raw materials for continuing the business thing. Purchase of stationeries, purchase of all the from starting to pin to, that is whatever we have, that plant, pin to plant, we can say pin to plant. Starting from pin to establishing of a plant, there are so many things are to be purchased in creating a business. And business is not only running by making a boundary, because for to or by all the things we can establish or by all things we can use the finance in that of the purchasing of the raw material, purchasing of the things which are associated to that of the fixed asset. But side by side we have to think about that is the raw materials also have the priority, very important priority. And raw material is not available at all time. And raw material we have to occur, that is you have to make fixed requirement of the raw material which will be available in the different stipulated period in running the business. We have a surplus money, but there is no raw material. We cannot run down. We cannot continue the business. And that help the purchase department have played a major role in, that is, what happened? Purchasing the raw materials. He should have a connection with that of the other department so that what happened? Alert the business organization at what time you have to purchase the goods, purchase the raw materials. So many things we have to discuss about. That is later on about the regarding the inventory management, how there is a, that is ordering level, reordering level, maximum stock level, minimum stock level. More things are there. Okay, then that should be we will discuss in the other classes. And so purchase function is also very very important, which is related to that of the business finance. Unless we will not take any importance to this, the business also will not carry out. Okay. What is the productivity? Proper use. The proper use of the raw material, proper use of the money, it should have productivity. We have to get some product from that what we have used. In the case of the production department, we have to think it. The raw material is converted into the finished goods. And that here also some functions of business is also related. Everything you have to discuss about the prime cost. You have to maintain the cost level so that it will be lead to the profit to the organizations. Without knowing, we cannot go to the other things. So production function is also very very important, or productivity function is also one of the very important functions in case of the that is the business finance, where you have to see that there must be a continuous flow of goods. There must not be a obstacle in the flowing of the or in the production things. Available raw material means that is the production must be there. प्रोडक्शन के लिए जो भी खर्चा चाहिए, जो भी पैसा चाहिए, हाँ बिजनेस फाइनेंस वे पे देना जरूरी चाहिए. Okay. Another, all the things whatever we have the accounting function at there, because we should think about proper maintaining of the cash flow and the cash inflow and the outflow. Fine. If you not maintain, then we cannot, that is, justify ourselves the using of the money in the business. You cannot justify. You have to think about that, is you have to maintain a proper accounting record. Financial statement is there, ratio analysis is there. So many factors, so many techniques are involved in the accounting method so that we can go through it, which is the best possible way. That is one of the accounting function it is related. And overall I am telling, all men are working in the organization, they have to acquire it. All persons are there. Those who are required to be work in the business organization, they will not खाली पे नहीं आएंगे ना, वो भी चाहते कुछ benefits. That benefit it should be borne by the business organization, and that should be borne by the what business finance. Every organization starting from that of the, that is get prepared to that of the CEO, all the required some things, and the human resource development has to proper analysis the right person to the right job, so that there must we should away from the top loss. Okay. So research and development, the product should be what happened? The product should be developed, because today in the world of competition, if we go on simple the old method, we cannot face to the market. There should be proper development of the running product as well as the or we can say existing product, or the what that is the new product should be launched, and that should be what by the research and development. Here also some expenses and some functions which are related to that of the what happened business finance. It is also very very important component, that is the discipline which are the we have to think it. After all, all the things, that is the financial management and the economics. Financial management is related to the both the economic subject. Economics means one is macroeconomics and the microeconomics. All the activities, all the things, all the techniques, tools which are related to the things, it is totally essential to the financial management. As a financial manager, you have to think about all the things, or to have a wide knowledge in comparison, that is with other individual prospects. They have to acquire the most of the things that it should be lead to that of the profit maximization or the wealth maximization. That is the two main objectives of the what? That is the business finance. Okay. So these all the things, it is very essential for that of the what disciplines or the relationship of the finance with the other business finance. Okay, my dear students, next class we will discuss about the two major objectives of the business finances. Mostly that is the profit maximization as well as the wealth maximization. Okay, so have a nice day, stay safe, or stay home and stay safe. Okay.